Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the stop iteration error and how we can handle the stop iteration error in Python. So let's understand about the stop iteration error first. A stop iteration error in Python occurs when the this next function is called on an iterator and there is nothing in return, or there is no more item to return. It's like reading a book and trying to turn the page after you have reached the end. There is no more pages to read, so you are encountering an issue. This error signals that the end of the iteration has been reached. Let's take another example saying that if you are processing items from a list and you have used an iterator to traverse the list, calling the next function on the iterator after it has exhausted all the items will raise a stop iteration error. Handling this error is crucial to prevent the program from crashing and to ensure smooth execution possible by notifying the user or performing a specific action once the iteration is completed. So let's take a simple list and try to use this next function. So I'm going to create a list saying that my list equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and I'm going to say iterator equal to iter my list. Okay, now I'm going to use a try block over here. Within this try block I'm going to say while true item equal to next iterator, and this iterator needs to be in bracket basically, and then I'm going to print this item. Okay, now I have to give the except block that I can expect a stop iterator error over here, so I'm going to put stop iterator and I'm going to print saying that reached at the end of iterator. So if I run this, I'm getting an error over here, and the error is because of this spelling mistake that I've done over here. So let me put stop iteration over here and now run it again. So now we have 1 2 3, and then we have a message over here saying that reached at the end of the iterator. Okay, so what's happening in this code? In this code, Python attempts to fetch and print the next item from the iterator until there are no more items. When the iterator is exhausted, calling this next function raises a stop iteration error. The except block catches this error and prints a message indicating that the end of the iterator has been reached. So with this approach, we can ensure that the program handles the end of iteration gracefully and provides the clear feedback. Happy learning and see you in the next video.